Hey, it's Ronnie Palmer here. Big news. My mentors are ready to build your entire internet marketing business, steering you towards 10,000 monthly. For the full scoop, click that crucial first link in the description below this video. Now, about the product awaiting at the second link. Bonus 1. Uncover my secret to 250,000 subscribers, plus get the lowdown on a wallet-friendly autoresponder setup. Bonus 2. Snag my 2023 free traffic method as a complimentary extra. Bonus 3. I spill the beans on how to dominate YouTube rankings for a flood of traffic. Bonus 4. Enjoy a sweet 100% commission on my best-selling course. Feeling the itch for a done-for-your business journey? That's where the first link comes in. And if you're eyeing the product I'm reviewing, hit up that second link. Let's dive deep.
Parents, educators, we all know how tough it can be to keep kids engaged in learning. You're trying to find high-quality, fun content that keeps your little ones entertained, but you keep running into expensive options or things that just don't fit. You're left feeling frustrated and overwhelmed, trying to find something that's educational, exciting. You want something that sparks creativity, saves you time, and, let's face it, doesn't break the bank. And wouldn't it be great if, on top of that, you could actually use this to create something meaningful or even start a small business on the side? That's where the Toddler Joy Coloring Kit comes in. Imagine having 100+ high-quality coloring pages covering every niche your child could ever dream of, from dinosaurs to princesses, outer space to fairy tales. This kit is packed with fun and creativity for every curious mind. And the best part? It's not just for your kids. With this kit, you get a children's book cover and a printable children's coloring book. Everything you need to personalize, create, and even sell your own books. Whether you're a parent looking to bond with your child or an entrepreneur ready to build a creative side business, the Toddler Joy Coloring Kit gives you full PLR rights. That means you can edit, brand, and sell these materials however you like. It's the perfect opportunity to add value to your child's playtime and turn it into something extraordinary, but don't wait too long. For a limited time, you can grab the 100+ coloring pages, the children's book cover, the printable coloring book, and the full PLR license at an unbeatable price. Why settle for less when you can inspire creativity, build memories, and even start your own business? Give your child endless joy and learning with the Toddler Joy Coloring Kit today. Click the link below and start creating unforgettable memories. Your child's imagination is waiting. Are you ready